What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia?
So we had all that rain, and we're still okay. We just knew that our beds were going to get blown away like last time, but they didn't. The flowers are still popping up, doing very well, and I see some new growth back there. So that's wonderful. Let's check the other bed. Yes, this was the bed that I was concerned about. This is the one that blew all over. Like you see, we stopped the bed right there, but it really ends there. But the water runoff is right there, so we didn't want to put any soil right there. We may change our minds. I have an idea for that water runoff there, like a little feature. I have an idea for that, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, fortunately the garden soil and the seeds that we put down did not get disturbed. We are planning on making a border for these beds in the very near future, so to save us from having to worry about whether or not the soil is going to stay in place. So stay tuned for that. All right, over to the garden. As y'all saw, that crazy rainstorm that we had, it was raining for 3 days. I've got some little friends. Can you see them on the fence? One's there and one just flew away. There he goes. So yeah, it is soaking here. And my bird seeds are all on the floor. It was on this thing here, but the rain, I guess, destroyed it. This is what the rain has done to my little garden area. The dynamic duo is doing very good. As you can see, he has sprouted through the third rung, or the second rung, and so is he. Wow, he wasn't there yesterday. So yeah, but this is what I have to do to save my babies from the rain. Oh boy, and I hate that this happens. You see, I try to put peaks under here so that this doesn't happen, but this happened anyway. I hope it didn't smash anybody. I think I had some folks under here that were pretty tall. So we're getting ready to take these covers off, but this is what I have to do to save them from the rain so that they don't drown. Yeah, so hubby is supposed to be buying me a greenhouse for Mother's Day, so that should be here very soon. But yeah, let me show y'all what the folks are looking like under these tarps here, because the sun is supposed to come out today, even though it's still overcast right now. You see the clouds are moving though. They're getting the hell on. So yeah, I'm waiting for that morning sun. I'm just going to, you can see it kind of better over here. So yeah, I'm just gonna pull the tarps off of everything so that when the sun comes out, everybody can get some light. So let me do that. All right, y'all, here are my babies, all exposed now. This was the water was pulled over this one, so he kind of folded over. He never really popped up. I don't know what's going on with him. I think he needs some help over there. And the rest of them are okay. Yeah, it's time to get them out of here. There's like this whole bin right here. They all need to be transplanted. He needs to be transplanted. Yeah, that's pretty much it for right now over here. But I gotta get them out of there. They really gotta go. So hopefully later on today I can get to the store to get some more soil. We've got some folks under there that haven't really been doing anything. I don't know what's up with them. I feel like that romaine should have sprouted by now, and definitely the lemon. And I don't know what's up with strawberries. They're taking a long time. My watermelon little patch is doing well. Kind of nervous about him. I don't know what's going on with him. Everyone else seems to be doing very well. I have 3 Jubilee watermelons here, and everybody else is a sweet crimson. My peppers are okay. Yeah, they're doing well. Got a few sprouts in here. And then we have some spinach over here. Parsley hasn't done anything. I don't know. It's taking a long time for parsley. Oh yeah, this is somebody else that has to be replanted. This cucumber here, they gotta go. Yeah, they definitely gotta go. They're getting their true leaves now. They didn't have true leaves before. So they've gotta go. They're crowded in that pot. My mesclun and the spinach over there are doing okay. They are coming up nicely. Let's see, corn has to be repotted or transplanted rather. The leaves are turning yellow. They need a little something, so yeah, I'm gonna have to get them up out of there. My okra's doing okay. They got repotted before the storm, so they're doing all right. Oh, you should be covered. Why are you not covered? Yeah, let's get you covered. Okay. My first zucchini is doing exceptionally well. Look at the leaves on that bad boy. Oh my goodness, doing so well. I'm so proud of that one. And then this was my first watermelon. This is also a crimson sweet. He's doing very well too. Super excited about this, guys. And then over here I have my flowers. These are my petunias and my marigolds. Looks like something was in there munching on my marigold. Not sure, I'm gonna have to figure all that out. And then I have my cilantro and oregano here. Cilantro's doing really well. Nothing yet for oregano. No. What's up with y'all? Oregano. And of course the dynamic duo, who will probably get unveiled today. They have to come up out of that. Don't want to smother them. So I'll be taking this green netting off and putting a probably like a bamboo stick in there to support them, to help them to be supported. And then they'll be exposed. And then I have onions over here. I need to see what I need to be doing with those onions. I don't know if I need to take them out or not. But yeah, guys, this is the garden. That's the update after this storm. Here comes the sun. Yep, so I came out here just in time. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead up now and go. And hopefully my my greenhouse will be here soon, and I won't have to do this tarp thing anymore. Because the only reason I'm doing this is to save them from getting drowned, you know. That was a lot of rain. It rained for 3 days. So I have to protect them until they're strong enough to be on their own, like the dynamic duo and even my watermelon and zucchini friend over here. So, but even them, I still want us to have them covered. So, but as you can see, the tarp still kind of, water still kind of seeps through, so they still got some water. You see how the netting is wet, so they still got water even though it rained. But the idea is to not have them get you know, super saturated to where they are drowning and they become waterlogged. That has happened to me one time with two things that I had over here, and yeah, they never sprouted, so because it got waterlogged. So I went ahead and tossed that one out, or tossed those couple out. But this is where we're at, y'all. So maybe I'll come back when it's a little bit more sunny out and see if anybody has decided to stretch stretch up and out. And yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna go back and get into bed now. It's early.